Here we go. You're going to be so much happier, girl.
Yeah, she is.
Rebecca wanted an arm worked out in. Almost done, sweetheart. Wow. Maybe I should actually hold a
I don't really want
halter.
to cut her tag off.
Yeah, that's... They always ask why we have double tags. Well, because Rebecca sometimes cuts the tag off. Nothing smells like burnt corn in the morning.
Hey, here.
We are almost there, sweetheart. Steaming. So by using the wire, it actually kind of cauterizes any little bit that could be there too. Because we had some people ask why we don't just use a snipper.
Oh, yeah. Yep. A lot of times it cauterizes, sometimes it doesn't, but
A lot of the times it does.
Does what?
And they also ask, will we have to cut it again because it'll start growing?
Nope.
And yeah, that's what I said. But they like to hear from an actual veterinarian.
Luckily, once we do this, we don't usually ever have to cut it again.
Yeah, because it's most likely if it does continue to grow, it's just going to go out now.
Yep.
Whew, that is warm. There you go. Now you heard from the vet.